Welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you clear Chrome browsing history in your Android phone easily. Let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone, open the Chrome browser application and make sure you can log into your current Google account. After that, you can see the three dot more button top right corner, click on it. Then you can find the settings option, tap to open them. After that, scroll down slowly, go to privacy and security. Here you can see delete browsing data option, tap on them. And you can see all of the options available there. Simply select the options such as browsing history, cookie site data, caches images and file. After all of the options selected, you can set the time range. I recommend you can select all time. After it done, at the bottom right corner you can see delete data or similar name, tap on it once and automatically clear your Google Chrome browser history. To make sure it works, go back to the previous screen, tap on the three dots again, go to history, and this time no longer be appear any history there. That's it, you are done. Thanks for watching.